How to use if statements in Java. Hello everyone and welcome to this new video about Java. Today we will talk about if statements. The if statements are helpful if you need a specific block of code to be executed when a chosen condition is true. Write if and open the parentheses. Write the condition inside the first parenthesis. For this purpose, you will need to use Boolean algebra. For example, you can check if a number is bigger or smaller than another, or if a variable is true or false. Write the block that has to be executed inside the second parenthesis. This part of code will be read just if the condition in the first parenthesis is met. You can write another condition using else if. The structure is the same. This part will be executed just if the first condition is false. To check if a number is equal to something, you need to use double equal. If you use just one equal, you are assigning a number to the variable. Finally, if no previous condition is true, you can write an else statement at the end. It will be executed if none of the ones before result true. As you can see, the console prints a message depending on the number that you assign to value. This is all for today. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.